Hello class, welcome to Automotive Electrical Inspection and Maintenance class. Let's watch a video first. In this video, the accident occurred because the vehicle didn't signal. Life is precious, and we must always follow the rules and cherish life. So what is car signal? The learning contents of this lesson are: first, the function of signal system. There is a wide variety of car brands and types, and the composition of car signal systems varies. Their installation locations, wiring methods, and connection techniques also differ. However, the design of signals on both domestic and imported cars follow certain patterns. The function of a car signal system is to emit information about the vehicle's actions and status to other drivers and pedestrians through audio and visual signals, which would draw their attention and ensure the safe operation of the vehicle. Second, the composition of signal system. The car signal system consists of sound signal devices and light signal devices, such as horns, brake lights, and turn signals. The sound signal devices include horns, buzzers, and alarms, etc. They are used to alert pedestrians and other vehicles during actions such as starting, overtaking, or reversing. Horns are divided into air horns and electric horns. Air horns utilize airflow to vibrate a metal diaphragm for sound production, and are commonly used in heavy-duty vehicles with air brake systems. Electric horns produce clear and pleasant sounds, with a volume not exceeding 105 decibels, making them widely applicable to various types of vehicles. Buzzers are further categorized into reverse buzzers and turn signal buzzers. Take a reverse buzzer as an example. When the driver shifts into reverse gear, the positive terminal of the battery connects through a switch to reach the lights and buzzer, and eventually connects to the ground, forming a circuit, and the buzzer starts to work. Electric horns are directly controlled by the horn button, or through a horn relay. Reverse buzzers are controlled by the reverse gear switch, while turn signal buzzers are controlled by the turn signal switch. Light signal devices include turn signal lights, brake lights, hazard warning lights, reverse lights, position lights, parking lights, fog lights, and door lights, etc. Light signals include: first, turn signal lights; second, hazard warning lights, which are shared with turn signals; third, position lights; front position lights, also known as clearance lights; rear position lights, also known as tail lights; fourth, brake lights; fifth, reverse lights not only illuminate the ground behind the vehicle, but also alert vehicles and pedestrians behind. Sixth, position lights are installed on the upper and outer edges of passenger or commercial vehicles. First, turn signal lights are often referred to turn signals. They emit alternating flashes of light on the left or right side when the vehicle is starting, changing lanes, making a U-turn, or coming to a stop, to indicate a change in the direction of travel. Most turn signal lights on vehicles are orange in color, and the flashing frequency of turn signal lights should be controlled within the range of 50 to 110 times per minute, typically between 60 and 95 times per minute. Each side of the vehicle is equipped with at least 2 front and 2 rear turn signal lights, and some vehicles may also have side turn signal lights. These signal lights typically have a power rating of 20 watts and are controlled by the turn signal switch. Second, the brake signal lights, often referred to as the brake lights, are installed on both sides at the rear of the cars. They emit strong red lights when the vehicles brake to indicate emergency decelerations, alerting the following vehicles and pedestrians. The installation positions of the 2 brake lights should be symmetrical with the car's longitudinal axes, and at the same height. The red signals of the brake lights should be visible from a distance of 100 meters at night. The brake lights are controlled by automatic switches installed under the brake pedals or on the brake master cylinder valves. Due to the use of dual-circuit braking, some vehicles have 2 interconnected automatic switches installed on the automatic master pump valves. They generally share dual-filament bulbs, with the tail lights, and the colors are red. Third, hazard warning signal lights, also known as hazard flashers, flash simultaneously in the front, rear, left, and right to indicate that the vehicle is experiencing an emergency situation. Hazard warning signal lights share the same set of lamps with turn signal lights, and the flashing frequency is required to be the same as that of the turn signals. Fourth, position lights refer to signal lights that indicate the width and height dimensions of a vehicle. They are known as marker lights and clearance lights. Marker lights include small lamps installed at the front and tail of the vehicle, positioned on the edges of both sides of the vehicle. These lights are used to indicate the width of the vehicle during nighttime driving. The color of the front ones is typically white or yellow, while the rear ones are typically light yellow. Fifth, reverse lights. The reverse lights are installed at the rear of the car and are used to illuminate the area behind the vehicle when reversing, as well as to alert vehicles and pedestrians behind. The color is white. This concludes all the content of this lesson. Thank you for watching.